manage what your staff can and cannot edit and amend within SchoolSpider, you need to be registered as an administrator, and then you need to click on your settings cog here, change your website's configuration. Then you're going to click on administration area, and you can see you've got these two options here. So you can hide pages from non-administrators, so that means they won't be able to edit any of your pages on your website unless you have given them specific access, and you can also hide class pages from teachers not associated to them. So on your class pages at the bottom where you associate a teacher to that page, if the teacher isn't associated there, they will not be able to see that particular page. If you are going to select this top option here, if you are going to select these two options here, click Save, you can still then associate relevant pages to teachers so that they can have specific access to only those pages. To do that, just select Manage Website, add or edit a website page, go to the relevant page you want to give the teacher access to, go to your additional options, scroll down, and then you can say Teacher associated with this page, use the drop down to select the relevant teacher. You can attach further teachers using this box here, and then just save at the bottom. Now you'll see that when that particular teacher then logs in, they will only have the pages that they are associated to in blue to edit, and all others will be greyed out.